Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the Adobe Photoshop Express application into your Windows. Now for that, let's go quick into the process. So like your mobile phone, you have the Google Play Store. Now here in our Windows, we have the Microsoft Store wherein we can download and install the applications that we want to install into our Windows. So type Store in the Windows search bar. You'll find Microsoft Store under the best match. Click on that. Now here in the search bar, simply type for Photoshop Express. Hit enter. Now you'll find the Adobe Photoshop Express, which is for free. You also have here the Adobe Photoshop, but this is going to have a payment. So here we need to simply click on this free version and click on this get button. It has also high ratings and garnered a lot of stars. And let's just wait for this in a while to be installed into our Windows. Now once it has been installed, now let's simply close this and search for Photoshop in the Windows search bar, and you'll find the Adobe Photoshop Express. Click on that. Now maximize this. Here, click on continue. Now here we can click on the camera, or we can go with the pictures library. Now simply click on pictures library, and here I have this. Let me scroll down first. I have this photo. Now just let me choose one photo. Okay, let me have it from the screenshots. Click on open. But in your case, this could be any of your favorite photo. So here you can try this looks. So you have here the basic. Okay, the vibrant, the autumn, spring. You also have here if you want to crop to your desired shape. And then you also have a lot of features from here like the ratio. It could be FB profile cover or FB page cover. And you also have this spot heal. So you can just simply click using your cursor. And this will clear for the spots on your photo. Like that. And you also have these borders. So you can simply choose from here as to what kind of border would you like to put in your photo. So that's it. That's how you can install the Adobe Photoshop Express into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.